If you're a teacher, this is the best Discord template for you. It includes basic channels that you might need, such as groups and polls, with the permissions correctly set up. The link to get this template is in the description below, and it will help you remove the hassle of setting up a Discord server. Discord has video, screen share, and an audio quality that is above and beyond Zoom's. When you go into a voice channel, the go live button will share your screen and the video button will share your webcam. To create a poll using this template, go to the polls channel and create a message. Make sure you specify the emojis the student needs to react to vote for a specific thing. Then click on the Add Reactions button to add the emojis. To invite students to your server, click on the server name, click on Invite People, and click on Edit Invite Link. Set the expire after to never and the max number of uses to no limit, and click on Generate New Link. Now click on Copy and paste the link on anywhere you would normally use to communicate to your students. This is the general overview on how to use the Discord template and how to use Discord. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section below. Until then, subscribe, like, and share. Bye.